Good morning students, welcome back to the class. We have completed exercise 1.1. I think you all have done this exercise. So today we are going to start exercise 1.2 of chapter 1. Now question 1, find the product. Product, you already know, multiplication. First question, 6 multiplied minus 12. Multiplication very simple. We have to multiply, but in these questions just we have to check the signs. Otherwise very simple. 6 12s are 72, but we have to check the sign. In these questions we will not check the sign of bigger number. When we add or subtract, at that time in answer we'll use negative sign of bigger integer, but while doing multiplication we will calculate the signs also. How we calculate the signs? We have to count the number of negative signs. Negative signs, there is only one. So 1 it's odd number. If the number of negative signs in odd number, then the answer will be in negative. But if the number of negative signs in even number, the answer will be positive. So only one sign is here, 1 is odd number, that's why we are using minus 72. This is the answer, very simple question. Now second part of the same question, 10 multiplied minus 6 multiplied minus 1. Very simple, 10 6 are 60 and 61 are 60. But we have to check the signs. 1 2. In this question 2 negative signs are there. 2 is even number, that's why answer will be positive. No need to use positive sign, directly we can use answer 60. Remember this thing, we have to check, we have to count only negative signs, we will not check positive sign. Next, third part of the same question, 17 multiplied 5. 17 5s are 85. 1 2. 2 negative signs are there. Again 2 even number. So answer is positive. Again next part, minus 1 into 5 into 7 into 2. So 5 are 5. 5 7s are 35. 35 2s are 70. Again count number of negative signs, 1 2 3 4. 4 it's even number, that's why answer will be even number. Just you have to check signs, take care of the signs. Otherwise multiplication you already know, you have done in junior classes, very simple. Next part of the same question, 6 multiplied minus 5 multiply minus 5 multiply minus 2. You can do it yourself. And sixth part, simple, just change 0 multiplied 192 multiply minus 32. So in this question it's 0. 0 when multiplied with any number, the answer will be 0. So 0 into 192 it's 0, and again 0 into 32 0. But now we have negative sign, only one negative sign. With 0 we will not use negative or positive sign, means 0 will always in this way, neither negative nor positive. So answer will remain 0 only, not minus 0. So this is the answer. Next 2-3 parts are left, they are same, you can do it yourself. Already you have book I think now, so you can do rest of the parts yourself. Then question number 2, find the value of first part 3 2 7 6 multiply 3 minus again 3276 multiply 2. This question will be done in two ways. Simple, first of all we can do this number multiply 3 and again 2. After this difference we can find the difference, but in these questions we have to use identities. Already we have done identities. We'll use distributive identity by distributive identity. So first of all, check what is repeated number and multiple of repeated number. So we have two pairs now. 3276. This number is repeated, we can take it common. So if we have taken common 3276 common, in this pair we have only 3 and this negative sign. Then in this pair we have only 2. So 3276 multiply 3 minus 2, 1. 3276. This is the answer. By using identity, we can do it very simple way. Same as second part. Again simple. 8964 multiply 1 plus 99 multiply 8964. 8964. This is a repeating number. We can take it common. Then we will have 1 plus 99. You can do it yourself. Then third part. We'll continue with the third part of this question. Third part is same question, just this is distributive under subtraction. Multiply 678 minus 695 multiply 678. So again by distributive property, because we have repeated number 678, so this number we can take common. We have left 1695 and now negative 695. Again same 678 multiply 1695 minus 695 will be 1000. So 678,000. This multiplication you will do orally. Ending number you can write down. 3 zeros are there, then 6, 7, 8 ones are 6, 7, 8. So this is the answer. Then fourth part of the same question. Fourth part, 2314 multiply 9 plus 2314. In this question, we'll use distributive property, but still one digit is missing. You can use 1 as product. To just convenient, we'll use multiply 1. So now same as previous question, 2, 3, 1, 4, we can take common. 9 plus 1, this is left. Again 3, 1, 4 into 10, 2140. This is the answer. So if the pair is incomplete, to complete the pair we can multiply by 1 to complete the pair to make it easier. So question number 2 is completed. Then start question number 3. Verify the following. Third question is verify. First part of the question, 23 multiply 7 plus minus 2 equal to 23 multiply 7 plus 23 multiply minus 2. So we have to verify. Again, very simple. This is distributive property. This is they have been provided. So if we distribute, means 23 multiply by this number as well as this number, same is given. So we can calculate it. 23 in two ways. 23 multiply. First of all, we will calculate inside the bracket. Plus minus minus 7 minus 2. This will be 5. Equal to, now calculate it separately. 23 sevens are 7, 3s are 21, 2, 7, 2s are 14 and 2, 61. Then plus minus minus, because while doing calculation, multiplication, only one negative sign is there, that's why answer will be negative. 23 2s are 46. So 23 5s are 5 3s are 15, 5 2s are 10 and 11, 115. Then 161 minus 46, again 115. So 115 equal to 115, answer is same. So hence it is verified. This is we have to verify. It is verified. So second part of the same question you can do yourself, same is there.